Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your ZTE RedMagic 10R supports eSIM. Alright, so let's begin. So we need to type the IMEI number of our device right in here in this bar. Of course, we are on the eimei.info page. If you don't know how to find your IMEI number, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on the site, and also in that video I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number of your device. Alright, so once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this button, check IMEI. Now we need to wait a little bit. Alright, we have our device right now. In here we can see also the basic information about it. As we click on export info, you can see more, as you can see. And also, if you're interested in full device specifications, simply click on right in here or right in here. Alright, but we need to find the basic checks, and the fourth option from the top is the eSIM compatibility check. Simply click on that. Now click on check eSIM compatibility, and now we have our answer that this device does not support eSIM. Below we can also see the report on which the date on which the report was created at, and the number of SIM cards and other information. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.